Hey, what's going on, car fans? Thanks so much for joining me on my channel, No Lane Restrictions. I really appreciate your time. This morning, it's December 4th. It's about -8 degrees Celsius out, and I'm hoping to do my very first recorded cold start on my 2008 Subaru Impreza WRX. So please enjoy, listen to the exhaust, and have a great day. Thanks so much, everyone. Awesome. I'm about to go for a drive once this bad boy warms up to operating temperature, and I wish you all the very best. Please rate and subscribe, and watch out for more upcoming videos. Thanks everyone. Cheers.